This is the Drive Medical Pheonix HD 4-wheel scooter. Again, this is the Drive Pheonix HD 4-wheel scooter. Heavy duty. This scooter has a 350-pound weight capability, 350 pounds. It does come with an 18-inch seat. It's a swivel seat, so you can swivel the seat all the way around if you wanted to, and sit on this side if you wanted to. So it's a swivel seat. The seat is 18 by 18. This is standard with this Pheonix HD. We also have a 20-inch seat, so if you need a bigger seat, 20 by 20, we also have one. That would be an upcharge, but we do have 20 by 20. So this is a swivel seat. This scooter comes with solid 9-inch tires, 9 by 3. They're called 9 by 3 all the way around. And look at the ground clearance. We got about 4 or 5 inch of ground clearance. You're not going to see this with any other portable scooters out there with that much ground clearance with a portable scooter. Again, this is the Pheonix HD 4-wheel scooter. You also have, it does come apart in 3-4 pieces, which we'll cover in a minute. But the first thing we're going to talk about is the tiller right here, this is called the tiller. Okay? On this tiller, you can see right here, you have your battery gauge. You can see the first light is off already. You lose your lights as you use the scooter, just like it tells you right there on the battery gauge. You also have headlights on here, which I'll show you how the headlight works. So this is your headlight right here. You can see right up front, that's your headlight right there. The nice thing about this scooter, when you drive this scooter, this is called a delta tiller. If you only have one hand, you could make it go forward here, and you can also go reverse on the same side. Forward and reverse. Of course, you can do the same thing here. Forward and reverse. So you can drive it with one hand on one side. Okay? This is a 4-wheel scooter. It does have a distance with the battery, a full battery charge, of about 9.5 miles. So 9.5 miles of distance you can go. And that will vary. You may get more, you may get less, depending on the weight of the user. If you're going uphill, through the grass, it will vary your distance, okay? So this is the 4-wheel scooter. I want to show you right now how it comes apart. When you take it apart, the first thing you would do is fold the back of the seat down. Put your left hand under the seat right here, not over like this, through the arm, and then this one you can go over the seat. You must lift this lever. Lift it up, and you can see how it unlocks the seat, and then pull straight up. You notice how easy that was? Don't pull back. If you pull back as you're pulling, it's not going to come out. The seat weighs about 25 pounds right there. This is your battery pack right here. Notice how it's not coming out? There's a little lock up front. If I unlock the battery pack, look at that. Look how easy that is. This is about 28, 30 pounds right here. You have 2 batteries in here. There are 20-amp batteries. There's 2 of them in here. This is your battery pack. The next thing I would do, I'm doing this slow so you can see how easy it is. Pull the basket, which weighs nothing. Then what I would do is I would pull the tiller down, and this is adjustable, so whenever you're in your seat, you can always adjust this tiller forward or back by, you can adjust it right here. You can put it anywhere you want. I'm going to lower it down so when you take your scooter apart, you don't want sitting up going in your car. Now, back here, there's a little lever, a red lever. So if you pull that lever and pull the pole at the same time, you notice how, and then make the back go on its back like that. Okay? So this is the front end right here. This is your front end. This is about 40 pounds, okay? Because it's a 4-wheel scooter. That's your front end. This is your rear. You can see the motor right here. You can see it's a direct transmission, the motor goes directly to the wheel. There's no chain, no belts. You can see the anti-tip wheels here for the back of the scooter. You can see the back, that's your back end. So when you put it back together, you want it sitting up like this. This is a real good one because it doesn't move once it's up like that. Then you would put your tiller back up so it's not in your way. And if you look at your scooter right here, there's little brown marks on the scooter. It's the same thing on these marks right here. There's brown right there. You want to bring this latch, you want to bring those as straight as you can, right into those slots. If it's not straight, just straighten it out until it's in there. When it's in there like that, grab the back of your scooter, bring it up slowly, and we didn't do it right. That's it. So they have to be lined up. If they're not lined up, it's not going to lock. So again, I'm going to do it again. Okay? If you pull up, it falls on its back by itself. Make sure it's lined up in here properly. And then bring it back. And it locks automatically. I'm going to pull it back here. The rear weighs about 35 pounds. The front is about 40. Okay, so it's a take-apart scooter, a little bit of weight because it's a four-wheel scooter. And if you want to leave it all together without, just take the seat off, take the batteries off, you'll be taking about 75, 80 pounds off. You could, with two people, if you put it like this, you could have someone grab the front. It's a good handle right here in front. Look at that handle right there. Perfect. And someone could grab it here, and you could put it in the car in one piece. But the back end is going to have all the weight. There's not any weight here really to speak of. Put the tiller back up. Put your basket back on. Put the battery pack back in. Lock your battery pack so it doesn't come out. When you grab your seat, grab it this way so you can see the male piece right there. So you bring it over there. It's already going to fall in. Make sure this is up. Flip it forward. Let it fall in. And now release the lever and it locks it. So that's how you would take the Pheonix HD 350-pound weight capability apart. Now, with this one here, you don't have no leg room up front. You got to keep your feet inside of here. I'm 12. These are 12, 13 inch. There's enough room for keep my feet in here. Let me show you how it would look like. So most people keep their feet sideways anyway. So there's plenty of room. I have size 12 shoes, almost 13 with these shoes on. When you charge the scooter, you have a real small charger that comes with it, and I would suggest you carry the charger with you, because if you use the scooter all day and you're nervous, your batteries are getting low. When you eat supper, plug it in for an hour while you're eating. Now when you charge the scooter, I'm going to show you right there, the charging port is on the left side of the tiller. So flip this down, then you would plug your charger right here. You'll feel it when it goes in. And then plug this into the wall, of course. And this part into the wall. When the light goes from red to green, you're fully charged. It'll be red when it's charging, green when it's full. Pull it out. Okay? When you pull it out, don't pull on the cord. Pull out from here so you don't damage the cord. I've had all kinds of stuff happen like that when you pull through the cord. It's not a good idea. So carry your charger with you when you're traveling, and you don't have to worry about running low on batteries. Now also, if you want to charge this scooter in the house, you can just take the battery pack by itself into the house. On top of the battery pack here, you'll see right there, when you take the battery pack in the house, you have the same port that you had on the side here. You can charge it right here with your battery charger. So if you want to leave the scooter in the car, take the battery pack with you, you could just take it and charge it in the house. So let's recap. Well, one thing I didn't show you is the reset button is here. So if you ever got in trouble, you got stuck in the mud, or instead of burning your motor, this would pop and you would pop it back in. You've also got a lever back here. That's your neutral. If I lift this up, You see how hard it is? Make sure your key is off. Always turn your key off, and look at the difference. Look at this. The key was on, so you can roll it around in neutral. But make sure you always put it back in gear. We get so many phone calls. My scooter's not working. What did you do last night? We pushed it into the house. Well, you have to put it back in gear after you push it. So, let's recap. Pheonix, Drive Pheonix HD, 4-wheel scooter, 350-pound weight capability. Swivel seat, 18 by 18. If you want the 20-inch seat, there's a little bit of an upcharge. Battery pack with 20-amp batteries. There's two 20-amp batteries in that battery pack. It'll give you about 9.5 miles in distance. 4-wheel scooter, 9-inch by 3-inch solid tires, 4 or 5-inch ground clearance, nice basket, small headlight, anti-tip wheels in the back. Very nice scooter, brand new, ready to go. So that's the turning radius right there. This is the 4-wheel Drive Pheonix HD power scooter. I cannot go in the grass today because it's soaked, about 3 inches of water, but it'll go through the grass with no problem. Real nice scooter, very easy to operate. As I said, you can operate it with one hand, very easy, ready to go.
Mark, and my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.